Hi Neil, how are you today?
I'm fine.
That's nice, very nice. Even I'm super excited today because we have something very new. And I'm sure both of us will like it. Let's not wait. Listen, I'll show you. Come here. I will show you. I will show you. Okay, let's share this with everyone today. Okay, let's get started. Wow, what's that?
Pizza truck.
That's a pizza truck. What do you get in a pizza truck?
Extras, pizza.
Wow. Do you like pizza? What color is that truck?
Green.
Yes, that's a green color. Okay, now we have another truck coming.
Slip.
Yes.
Zing-zang.
Now let's check which truck is coming. Here it is.
Milk.
That's a milk truck. What do you get in a milk truck?
And milk.
Milk. That's right. Only milk. What is the color of the truck?
White.
White. Now something very special is coming now.
Take a parking.
Yes, they are parked. Yes. They have taken their parking place.
Noisy.
Oh.
And cycle.
Oh.
Stop.
Stopped. Okay.
Car come.
All right. That's nice.
I need to take a parking.
Wow, that's good. So baby knows everything. What's that?
The ice cream truck.
Ice cream. What do you get in an ice cream truck?
Let's see if we get the ice cream.
That's right. Baby likes ice cream. Yes, it's so tasty, right?
Biggie.
Yes, big ice cream, that is. What's the color of the truck?
The orange.
That's an orange color. There's another truck coming right now.
Oh,
Wow.
oh the
What truck is that?
donut.
That's a donut truck. What do you get in a donut truck?
Donut. Uncle Donut.
Only donut.
And the people.
What's the color of the truck?
White.
Oh,
White is here.
White is here. What is the color of the donut truck?
Pink.
Pink. There's another truck coming right now.
Oh.
Yes. Whoa. Boom.
It's a park.
Okay. What truck is that?
Apple truck.
That's an apple truck? Wow. Be careful. Okay, keep the apple truck. Yes.
Slip.
Yes. Very nice. Now there's another truck coming. Here it is. You'll not be able to see it from there. Sit, I'll show you. There's another truck coming. Here it
You stopped it.
is. Yes. What truck is that?
Full trust.
Yeah, yes. The other day I crashed number 4. Yeah, so funny it was. And what's the name of this truck?
The burger truck.
That's a burger truck.
The burger.
Alright, keep the burger truck. Okay. That's very nice. Very good. Now we have another truck coming. Oh, again. Not again. What truck is that?
Kingfish truck.
Wow, that's a kingfish truck. So you have a lot of seafoods in that?
Yeah, and there's a fish and Uncle took it.
Oh. Okay, we'll go ask Uncle why he took it.
Yeah.
Okay, what's the color of the truck?
Blue.
Blue color, that's right. And now there's another truck coming.
A coffee truck.
That's a coffee truck. What's the color of the coffee truck?
The brown.
That's
The
brown.
corn cap.
Yes.
I'm back at the.
Yes. Now let's park the coffee truck.
And there,
Yes.
ice cream.
Yes. Next to ice cream truck. Oh, donut
I
truck.
touch it.
Yes. Now, which is your favorite truck? Which truck is it? What's the name of the truck?
Pizza truck.
Pizza truck. Can we count how many trucks we have? Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Wow. Count from this side.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. So it never changed. Even if you count from left to right, it was 8. And even if you count from right to left, it is 8. So no matter from which side you count, it is still the same. Yes. Yes.